The real estate market has really changed, and that's what we're going to talk about today. You probably all, if you've been doing this for a while, have noticed that real estate investing has changed. It's a lot more expensive, mortgage rates are up, deal flow is kind of tough, cash flow is tough. But what I'm going to talk about for the rest of the night is that I actually don't really care about any of that. So I built a whole financial model, and what I figured out is that for the average American, regardless of income, the math is very, very similar. If you put 8 to 12 years into real estate, buying regular, on-market MLS deals, stabilized, don't even need to do a very large rehab, it will take you 8 to 12 years to fully replace your income. The return diversity in real estate really makes it a stable asset. If you grew up anytime during the financial crisis, you probably think that the housing market regularly crashes. It doesn't. It has happened exactly one time since the Great Recession, and that was because a lot of complicated things happened that aren't happening right now. I'm not saying it can never happen again. I would never say that it's impossible, but it is unlikely, and real estate is a much more stable asset class than I think a lot of people give it credit for. It's also a great inflation hedge. If you listen to the podcast, you know I have a lot of fear about long-term inflation, not necessarily in the next couple of years. We have a lot of debt in the United States that can be put upward pressure on inflation, and real estate has proven to be a very good inflation hedge. And the last thing that I think more people should talk about is you get to provide to your community. And I know there's this narrative in the world that all landlords are evil, but I know a lot of landlords and none of them are evil. That's my case for real estate investing. It's why I still invest in it. I invest in other stuff too, but I'd say 2/3 of my net worth is in real estate because of all the things I just mentioned.